China's humanoid robots are here, and they're not coming for your job. This is GadInsider, and today we're diving into Beijing's bold vision for the future. Let's get started. Will robots replace us or make us better? China says it's the latter, with humanoid robots designed to supercharge human potential. Curious? Stick around for the full story. On May 17, 2025, Liang, a deputy director from Beijing's Economic Technological Development Area, spoke to foreign media to clear the air. China's humanoid robots aren't here to steal jobs. They're built to boost productivity and tackle tasks humans can't or don't want to do. Think exploring deep oceans or distant planets. With state funding, China's robot industry is growing fast, and it's all about supporting human endeavors. Last month, Beijing hosted a robot half marathon. Yep, robots running a race. It was an epic showcase of human-machine teamwork. The star? Tiangong Ultra, built by the state-backed X-Humanoid Center, showing off next-level tech. These robots can work through the night, handle repetitive tasks, and navigate tough challenges, cutting down human workloads. From dangerous environments to boring jobs, they're designed to make life easier and outcomes better. Liang was clear, China sees robots as partners, not competitors. They're tools to unlock human potential, not replace it. This is about efficiency, letting humans focus on creativity and innovation while robots handle the heavy lifting. It's a vision of advanced tech that supports us, whether it's in factories, exploration, or beyond. China's humanoid robots are paving the way for a future where tech and humans work hand in hand. What do you think? Excited for this partnership or a bit skeptical? Let us know in the comments. Love staying ahead on tech news? Hit that subscribe button and join the GadInsider community. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for more updates.